Matthew 7:11 says, if ye then being evil, know how to give good gifts unto your children, how much more shall your Father which is in heaven give good things to them that ask him.
I'll take it to the first stop, then I take another one second stop back. So you're beautiful, and the weather is quite good, if I must say so. It's really, really good. It's sunny.
Ontario Street. Yeah, I am pretty much to the office, and the weather is good. It's really sunny and it's a good one. And also, just to literally catch up with most of my colleagues pretty much, right? Like, even with the sun, it is really cold. Can you see the cold air coming out? That's how cold it is, even with the sun. Like the sun, it's still like so cold. Anyways, it's fine. But Steve, the office in the US, have you been there?
Yes.
In the US, they have an office in the US.
At this point, I really tried to squeeze in some work, right? But honestly, I don't think I could. I think at the time I was struggling with validating some data set from two different DBs entirely, and it was from a live database, and another one that wasn't live. So having to validate those two was sort of like a headache for me at the time. So I reached out to my colleague to help me to just make his brain pretty much right. But eventually I had to also reach out to like the engineers, the data engineers, the analytical engineers as well, to just for them to see what they can help me do in order to fix it as well too. So it was really me just going back and forth and trying to see those ways to actually like get this table and this database to actually work pretty much.
Question is, would I do this again? Would I actually go to work outside like I say? Probably I will. I will probably because I really love it. I like really love and I enjoy working with my co-workers, right? But with the cold, nah, I don't think I'll do that. This cold is so not nice anyways. So maybe I will probably go through all this code again. Yeah, just maybe. But it was really fun. I hung out with my colleagues, my manager. Also, we had food. I'm not sure I didn't capture that, but it was pretty good. I must say, pretty good.
It was also International Women's Day, and we tried to like check out some restaurants as well too. I really do love Cuba's meal. I mean, the food is like really nice, really good. They have like a hotspot setting, but apparently for that particular day, which was International Men's Day, it was already filled out. So my husband and I couldn't eat in there or dine in there, right? So we went to another restaurant that we probably did not know was also a vegan restaurant. So because we are not vegetarians, we had to leave. But we ordered like 1 or 2 things pretty much, and then after that we then went to a really nice restaurant that I'm about to show you right now, and it was like a platter of hot pot meat, shrimp, seafood and likes, and it was really good, guys. Like it was so good.